Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I have two new sticker books to flip through from Mojo Jojoplans. These released today. I'll have all the details down in the description and also a discount code if you're interested in purchasing. But yeah, I'm going to flip through these two sticker books, and then I think I might do, I'm not going to do like a plan with me, but just to show how these fit and look in a planner spread, I'll use them in a spread. So I'm going to flip through these first. Let's go over the Functional Boxes sticker book, which if you're not familiar with this series, so I think, oh yeah, I have the first one. So this was the first one, and basically she's just doing like one size of stickers in various colors in each book, which is really, really nice. For instance, these I like to use in like my budget planner, so I like that it's all in one book. And then this size right here is good also to use in monthly. So far, the 3 sticker books that I've released, because this is one, there's 2, and then there's this third one. They're all good sizes to use in a monthly, and also of course in your spreads too. I just tend to use these a lot in my monthly, so I like that they are just like in one book, which is really nice. So I'm sure you'll see like a pattern that there's the series 4 will have the next size up, and then so on. So excited to see those. Okay, I was flipping through this originally, and then I don't know, the lighting seemed a little bit off, so hopefully it looks a little bit better. But I'm gonna re-flip through it, which you probably haven't, you won't see that part. But let me start again. So here is black, all the black, which I love using black in spreads. Then next is red. This is kind of like a dark brownish red color, and you have both of those together. Orange and a lighter orange, and then both of the oranges. A bright yellow, and then a lighter yellow, and then both of them. Then we have a green, and then a dark green, and then blue, and then more of like a sky blue, purple, dark purple, then light purple, and like a hot pink, and light pink, and then the gray. This is like a lighter gray, so you can see like the difference when they're on both on the same page. And then brown, light brown, and there's both of them. Okay, so yeah, all the same size, just a variation of different colors in there, which is really, really nice, especially if you like having a specific size box. Super easy to find them if you get this book. All right, so that is series 3 functional boxes. And then next we have scalloped boxes, scalloped pastel boxes. I love pastel. So, and these are going to be really cute in some upcoming spring spreads. Yeah, I think these will look really pretty. So we have the oranges. Then you get a variety of sizes in this one. Some of them have lines, some big boxes here, no lines. Yellows, all the smaller boxes, greens, those are really pretty greens. I love pastel, is like my favorite. I can use it all year round, even though it's pastel. Just feel like they're so good. We have the blues, and the lined ones, now the purples, and then the bigger boxes, and then the pinks, I love pink for spreads. Lined boxes. And that's it for this book. Okay, so that is Scalloped Pastel boxes. Now what I'm going to do is just kind of just put them in planner spread. I'll use the vertical spread because I feel like everybody knows that one. Just to kind of see how they look in a spread. So first things first, let me see how these fit in here. Because now that I'm thinking about it, I think these are not sized for a monthly. But let's see how they fit. We'll use this color because I really don't use this color too much. So I'm okay with wasting it in here. Oh, actually it does fit. Okay. Oh yeah, it fits. It's not like, it doesn't fit perfectly, but it fits within the boxes, so that's good. So yeah, I always like to use this size box to, whenever I have something like important, like a birthday, or if I'm going somewhere, I like to use this size box in my monthly. And this is like the biggest box that I'll use when it comes to the box sizes. So looks like up to series 3, like for me personally, 1, 2, and 3, those are the ones I'll use in my monthly. And then anything up like higher than that, those will just be in like regular spreads when it comes to how I like to use these. But I just wanted to see how they fit in here. And yeah, they fit very nicely in the monthly section. So that's good. And then we'll go into here. I want to just try out some of these, although I'm not gonna lie, I love all the colors. I love all of these colors so much. They're just all so good. So we'll just do yellow, because yellow I really don't use too much. I'll do yellow. Just wanted to see the scallop. Like the scallop is actually really cute. And like I said, it'll be really fun. Actually, maybe I will grab like some florals. Let me see if I have some florals nearby that'll go with this. Let's see. Might be a little bit hard because I pulled yellow. Okay, I just remembered I have this mega book from the Happy Planner that is like just florals, which is amazing when it's just like decorative stickers. I think this one's still available if you are interested, but let's use these. These are fun. They're different. And like I said, we're almost to spring, so these will be cute to use in a spring spread. Like, look how adorable that is, especially with the scallop. The scallop's really cute. Let's do another box. Let's do another yellow box. And like another floral. We'll do this yellow floral, like yellow on yellow. I just think they're cute. The little scallop detail. Super adorable. And then I can even take one of these. Let's see which color would be good to mix. I guess I can do I think this orange. Oh, actually, this is too big. This is too big, but I could do it here. Like layering a non-scalloped box on top of the scalloped box. Cute, cute, cute. All right. But yeah, I just wanted to give like a little idea on how to use these. I'm not trying to like do a whole plan with me, but it's cute. Really, really cute with the scallops. Yeah, like I said, I plan on using them in some upcoming spring spreads because I really like that little detail. For the mix with the florals is really pretty. So yeah, just a little test on those that I wanted to share. But those are the books that are releasing today. We've got Series 3 functional boxes and Scalloped Pastel boxes. They'll be linked down in the description if you're interested in purchasing. And then I do have that 10% off code, so make sure you use a code if you do plan on picking these up. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next video.